Good morning, students. My name is Mandeep Kaur from California Public School. Hope all of you are fine. Now let's start today's topic. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter, the revision of first chapter. The name of the chapter is number system. Before starting the revision of first chapter, I just want to tell you in the last video we are doing the seventh chapter, and I think two worksheets are pending of the seventh chapter. After the revision of this chapter, we will continue that chapter. Now let's start the revision of first chapter, number system. In this chapter, we will discuss firstly Indian and international number system. How can we write the numbers in Indian and in international system form? So let's start. Firstly, we will discuss about Indian number system. Indian number system. So firstly, I am going to make a table that you can understand easily, that in which way we can write the numbers in form of a Indian number system. So let's start from here. We have here the ones. Here we have the ones. Here we have the thousands. After that is lakh. After that is crore. And lastly we have arabs. In the ones place, we always have three digits there. In the ones place, we have three digits. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Now, in ones place, we always have three digits. Ones, tens, and hundreds. In thousand, we always have two digits. That is thousands and 10,000. In lakh, we have two digits, lakh and 10 lakh. In crore, we have two digits are there, crore and 10 crore. In arab, we have arab and 10 arab. T for 10, A for arab. So here is our table. By using this table, we can write all the numbers in the form of Indian number system. Whenever I will give you some examples, then you can understand it easily in which way we can write the numbers in Indian number system form. So firstly, I am going to repeat this one. Here is our ones place, thousands, lakhs, crore and arab. You just have to write whenever we have given any number, its last three digits you have to write in ones place, because in ones place we have ones, tens and hundreds. So that means three digits should be there. After that is thousand, 10,000. After that is lakh, 10 lakh. After that is crore, 10 crore. After that is arab, 10 arab. Let us suppose we are going to discuss one example that you can understand easily. We can write the number in Indian number system form. Let us suppose we have a number here is 863152. 3152. We have to write this number in Indian number system form. So firstly, look at this table. We have, here is ones, here is thousands, here is lakhs, and after that is crore. If there is need, we can write the arabs also. And I have tell you that in ones place, you just have to write the last three digits, because in ones place, three digits are there. So write last three digits in the ones place. So write here 152. Right here 152. After that, next two digit 63, right here in the thousand place. After that, we have only 8. So right here. So there is no need of crore, so you have to rub this one. Now I have told you, write three digit in one place, write two digit in thousand, write two digit in lakhs. Only one digit there, so write here 0 in front, not in the next one. That means you do not write please in this way 80. Do not write, because it becomes 80. Only 8 is there. So write 0 in front of 8. Okay. Now we have to write in Indian number system form. So look at here. Here is 8,63,152. So in Indian system form we have 8 lakh 63,152. 152. I'm going to repeat this one. Firstly, you have given any number, write its last 3 digits in ones place, its 2 digit in thousand place, its 2 digit in lakhs place. If we have any other number there, then write here crore and write other numbers in this side. So firstly, we have 8,63,152. Let us take one more example that you can understand easily, in which we can write the numbers in Indian number system form. We have a number 194,27632. We have to write this number in Indian number system form. So firstly, write here ones, here thousands, here's lakhs, here's crore. If there is a need, we write here ups. So firstly, starting from here, the last 3 digits at ones place. So write here 632. After that 2 digit here. After that 2 digit here. Now only 1 is here. 1 is here. We have to write 3 digit here, 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. So write 0 in front of 1. So write 0 in front of 1. Do not write 0 in the right side, because it will become 10 crore and here is only 1 crore is there. So our answer is 1 crore 94 lakh 27,632. So our answer is 1 crore 94, that is lakh 632. I'm going to repeat this again. You have any number and you have to write in Indian number system forms. Firstly, here is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. You have to write 3 digit, last 3 digit at the ones place, because in ones place we have ones, tens and hundreds. So always write last 3 digit in ones place. After that 2 digit here, 2 digit here, 2 digit here. If there is only 1 digit, write 0 in the left hand side. So it becomes, here is 1 crore. Here is 1 crore 94 lakh 27,632, which is our right answer. Now come to the next concept, that is the international number system. Okay, now international number system. So firstly, I'm going to make a table of international number system. After that, we will discuss how can we write a number in international number system. So for the international number system, here is ones, here is thousands, ones, thousands, millions and billions. In ones place, we have always 3 digits are there, that is ones, tens and hundreds. In ones, we have 3 digits here. In thousand, we have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. In thousand, again we have 3 digits there, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In millions, million, 10 million, 100 million. That means in millions, again we have 3 digits, million, 10 million, 100 million. In billion, we have billion and 10 billion. Only 2 digits are there. So here is our table of international number system. Okay, I'm going to repeat this again. In ones, we have 3 digits, ones, tens, 100. In thousand, again 3 digits are there, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In millions, again 3 digits are there, million, 10 million, 100 million. In billions, only 2 digits are there, billion and 10 billion. So let's take one example that you can understand it easily. We have a number 451 and 7301. 7301. We have to write this number in international international number system form. So let's start from here. Here is ones, here is thousands, here is millions. If there is a need, you can write down the billions here. So let's start from here. Last 3 digit at ones place. So 301 is there. 3 digit at thousand place. Here is 517. And 3 digit in million place, but only 1 digit is there. So you can write 1 digit 4, or you can write in this way. 2 zeros in the left side. It's up to you. You can write it, or if there is if you need it that you have to write down, then you can write. If there is no need, then there is nothing to weigh that you have compulsory to write it here, the 2 zeros. So you can write only 4 here, or you can write here 2 zeros to make it 3 digit. So here, look at here, the last 3 digit at ones place, last 3 digit at ones place, after that 3 digit at thousand, and 3 at millions. Remaining digit, it should be 1, it should be 2. You write here in the millions place. So it becomes 4 millions 517,301. So write in this way, 4 millions 517,301. 301. I'm going to repeat this again. Here is 4 millions 517,301. Now let's take one more example that you will understand it easily. Okay, we have, here is number 58739, 58739, 438, 579. I'm going to check this again. 58739, 438, 579. Again, we have to write this number in international number system form. So let's start from here. Here is ones, here is thousands, here is millions, here is billions. So take last 3 digit at ones place. So 579. After that 3 digit here 438, that 3 digits here 739, and the remaining one here, because in billions we have only 2 digits are there. So last 3 here 438, 739 and 58. Now in which way we can write this one? 58 billions 739 millions 438,579. So write in this way, 58 billions 739 millions 739, that is millions. After that is 438 thousands, 438 thousands and 579. 579, which is our required answer. I'm going to repeat this again. In the international number system, in the ones place you have to write the 3 digit, in thousand you have to write 3 digit, millions you have to write 3 digit, and in billions you have to write 2 digit. After that you can write it easily. Now come to the next question of this worksheet. Okay, now we have to write 60 crore 80 lakh 4070 in numeral form. We have to write it in the numeral form. So firstly, look at here. That is of belongs to the Indian number system form or international. Here is crore, and crore belongs to the Indian number system form. So firstly, write the table of Indian number system form here. Here is ones, here is thousands, here is lakhs, here is crore. Now look at here, 60 crore. Here is 60 crore. 80 lakh. Here is 80 lakh. So in lakh here is 80. 4,000. Now keep it in mind, in Indian number system form we have 3 digit here, 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. Now here is only 4,000. So write 0 in the left hand side because we have to make a 2 digit here. Please, you have to write the 0 at the left place, not write 0 in the right place, because whenever you write 0 in the right place it becomes 40,000. But here is 4,000. So 4,000 and write 0 in the left place. We have to write here 2 digits. Now after that is 4,000, 70. We have 70 here. Now we have 3 digits here. So write 0 in the left side here. That becomes 3 digits. 70. Now I'm going to repeat this again. 60 crore. So write here 60 crore. 80 lakh. Here is 80. After that is 4,004. So write left side 0. After that is 70. 70 is there because we have to write 3 digits here. So write 0 in the left hand side. If you will write 0 in the right hand side, it becomes 700. But here is 70. So in numeral form we have here is 60. After that is 80. After that is 04. After that is 070, which is our numeral form. Let us take one more example. Okay, now we have to write 73 billions 585 millions 263,497 in numeral form. So look at here. Here is billions and million that are used in international number system form. So write the table of international number system form firstly. Here is ones. Here is thousands. After that is millions. After that is billions. Now look at here. Here is 73 billions. 73 billions. And in billions we have only 2 digits are there. So 73 billions. 585 million. 585 million. So here is 585 millions, and in millions we have always 3 digits there. After this 263,000. 263,000. Again 3 digits are there. After that is 497. Here is 497 and again 3 digits are there. So our numeral form is here is 73. Here is 585. Here is 263 and lastly is 497, which is our numeral form. Hope so that all of you have been clear about in which way we have to do the question in the form of international and Indian number system form. Now for tomorrow we will discuss the remaining question of this worksheet. Thank you so much everyone.